Hi, this is Shar from Shar's Boutique, and I'm here with a satisfied client, a beautiful satisfied client who is happy with her human hair topper, and I want her to share her story.
Thanks, Shar. My name is Chris, and about 5-6 years ago, I started losing my hair. My hairline started backing up. I'm bald to about here. And when I went to go out, I would always try to fix as much bangs as I had and spray them with hairspray and make them look good. But then, of course, when you go outside about 5 minutes, it's blown. Everybody can see my bald spot, and it just made me want to cry. I decided to do something about it. I looked around for human hair. I found Shar. I came down. She helped me find just the right piece. And I've been wearing them ever since. Now let me take this off for you so that you can see. There's a little tape here on the front because I don't have any hair there to attach it to. I have 5 clips that are very easy to take off, and then I take off my hair. And as you can see, I'm bald clear back to here. I have no hair on the sides, on either side. Looks really bad. But then when I take this fabulous real human hair and put it right back on, I push the tape down, I pull it in the back, pull that one down so it's tight, and then I just clip the others in. There you go. And I comb it with the paddle brush, and I love it. It doesn't blow off. Nobody can tell. People are always telling me how nice my hair is. Awesome. If you've got a problem, you need to come and see Shar because she can save your life like she did mine.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.